In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix OKX app not working. So if OKX application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable and strong network. After you do that, your application should start working. But if your application still does not work, it might be because of some bugs in the application. The way to fix the bugs is to simply update the app. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for OKX. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for OKX and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it. Wait for a while and your application will be updated. After the app has been updated, your app should start working. But if your application still does not work, it might be because of the cache of the app. For that, what you have to do is clear the cache. Launch open app library of your device, find the application for OKX and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to access the app info of OKX. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option storage and cache that you can see on the screen. Tap on the option clear cache and the cache of this application will be cleared. After you do that, your problem should be solved. But if this also does not solve your problem, there might be some problem with the application itself. In that case, what you can do is simply uninstall the application and install it again. After you do that, your problem should be solved. So that is how you fix OKX app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.